Everybody, what's up? It's Kiki and I'm coming at you guys today with a tutorial on how you get beach waves like this. You can make them as loose as you want or as tight as you want by using one simple little product. What I have is my my 1/2 inch Remington Studio curler with the little clip on it, and I took the clip off and made it into, you know, the little wand that everybody's paying so much money for. What you can do with your own curlers. Yeah, you can do it with 1/2 inch or inch, 3/4 inch, whatever you decide how big you want your barrels to be. And you can make them bigger or smaller by taking more hair and curling it. Now usually what I do after I do this style is I don't curl it anymore, except for like every other day. I'll probably just take it and take the ends, do that to the ends all together, and then let go. But yeah, this is my Virgin Indian hair, wavy my wavy Virgin Indian hair from Fair Sky Exotic Hair, which I love. I love this hair, y'all. This has been the easiest to style. I love this hair. Very, very nice. I've got minimum shedding and minimum tangling, so it's some good quality hair. It feels really, really soft, and it holds a curl. It takes a curl and it holds a curl very well, and I like that about it. So stay tuned if you want to see how I get this look. Also, I want to say thank you to all you guys for being so worried about me. I'm good, I promise. If it was something, I'll let y'all know. My birthday is Thursday, December 16th, so your girl's doing good, okay? Don't worry. I love y'all to death. See y'all later.